Solve for x. Now here I want to find the most efficient way on how to solve this quadratic equation. And my suggestion is to first attempt to factor. I noticed that my three terms here, the 2, the 9, and the 10, they don't have a GCF. The only thing that divides them is 1. So I'm going to go straight ahead and set up the snowflake because again, I want to first try and see if this is factorable. So my A value is 2, my B value is 9, my C value is 10. I have the snowflake diagram, so I'm going to begin to fill it in. A multiplied with C, that's going to be 2 times 10, we get a 20. My A value is 2, and then my B value is positive 9. So I have to find two numbers that multiply to 20 but add to 9. And after some trial and error, you're going to come to the conclusion that the two values are 5 and 4, since 5 times 4 multiply to 20, but if you decide to add them, they'll sum to 9. After you find the two factors, then you're going to quote-unquote try to simplify these fractions here. 2 over 5, that's irreducible, so we're going to keep it as 2 over 5, but the 2 over 4, we can reduce it into 1 over 2. Now we are going to express these fractions as the factors, so we get 2x plus 5 multiplied with 1x plus 2. I'm going to write it just as x plus 2. So we managed to factor this trinomial into the product of two binomials, so this is equal to 0. And now we can use the zero product property and set each factor equal to 0. So we get the equation 2x plus 5 equal to 0 and the equation x plus 2 equal to 0. Let's solve the first one. We're going to subtract 5 from both sides. And this is going to leave us with 2x, since the 5's are going to cancel out, and 0 minus 5 is negative 5. Next, we're going to divide both sides by 2. And on the left-hand side, the 2's are going to cancel out, so we're left with x equal to negative 5 over 2. We're going to keep it as a improper fraction. For the second equation, we subtract 2 from both sides. On the left-hand side, the 2's are going to cancel out. We're left with x. And on the right-hand side, 0 minus 2 is negative 2. And those would be our two solutions.